Twinkle Twinkle Little Star for me? Oh boy. Now can I hear you do it without Ducky? Put Ducky on top of the piano. I want to hear you play Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Okay.
A microphone. A microphone. A microphone.
A microphone.
This is how you sing
Bibbidi bobbidi boo.
Bibbidi bobbidi. You sing me.
Yay! Very good.
Who farted? Who farted, Isabel? Oh, Isabel farted.
I'm a beautiful sis.
Beautiful.
Oh, beautiful girl, huh?
I'm the policeman.
Phew, it stinks over here. Oh my god. Phew, Isabel, that stinkies. Did you fart, Isabel?
Yeah.
Yeah, it stinks, huh? Phew.
Trust the box.
There's your treasure box. Oh.
It's my school bag. It's my school bag.
Your school bag?
The school bag?
Yeah.
My school bag. My school bag. This is my school bag.
All right.
We're packing for tomorrow's school.
This is my.
Anything else have to go in there? We got everything?
Maybe we can put Gizmo in there so we don't have to listen to him all the time.
No, don't put Gizmo's ball in there. It's icky. But I'll tell you what. Come here. I'll give you something. Let's get it real fast and you can put your princess doll in there. And your keys. And princess doll. Your keys. Oh, and we don't want to forget your phone. Okay, you can't leave home without it.
Knock, knock.
Keys. Princess doll.
What about your
Your
phone?
phone? Where is it? Here it is.
Is that your,
book bag.
is that your school bag? Your school bag, huh?
Your book bag.
Toot, you got your school bag? Is that your school bag or book bag?
Same thing, actually.
It's my school bag.
Oh, sorry.
It's my school bag.
Is that your school bag?
This is juice. This is
Isabel.
Yeah, Daddy.
Thank you, Isabel.
It's too cool.
Yeah, it's cold, huh?
Got you some special good.
What are you doing in there?
Where
Careful, you're gonna fall.
I got four.
Yeah, you're gonna fall.
And be careful. Oh, my juice.
You got juice.
My juice is falling. My juice falling.
Your juice falling.
My juice falling.
It's only. Oh no, that's
My juice falling.
no, that's not falling. That's Isabel dropping it.
Yes, me. Yes, me.
Is that yours?
Yes, me.
Is that Gizmo's juice? Is that Mommy's juice? Is that Daddy's juice?
You can taste it.
Can I taste it? Mmm.
It's apple juice.
Is that apple juice? I'm gonna taste your apple juice. Ah, that's some good apple juice, huh?
Is that for Gizmo? No.
Is that juice for Mommy?
No.
Is that juice for Daddy?
No.
Is that juice for Cody Bear?
No.
Is that juice for Sydney?
No.
Is that juice for Maddie Mayer?
No.
Is that juice for Gizmo?
No.
Is that juice for Isabel?
No. Yeah.
No, yeah.
This is my coat. This is my coat.
Is that your coat? It's a beautiful coat, huh, Isabel?
Let's go. Oh. Let's go the rain. It's the coat.
Yeah, it's
Yeah, it's raining out. You need your coat, right? Your raincoat. Is that your raincoat? You like that coat? Mmm.
That's my book bag.
Well, that's your book bag. You found your book bag again.
That's my school bag.
Is that your school bag?
Yeah.
You gotta bring it to school tomorrow? Gotta show it to Maddie Mayer? Yeah? And Wesley? Very nice.
Let's make this one. Let's make that. Let's go inside.
Yeah, maybe he wants to go outside, you think?
Come on, Daddy. You take it for a walk. Come on.
Okay, I'm gonna take Gizmo for a walk.
Mommy,
Yes?
you have to take this so
Okay, let me get my shoes on so I can take Gizmo for a walk.
See? It's hard.
Oh, thank you so much. I got the poo-poo bag and everything.
You got everything ready, huh, Isabel?
Look at poo-poo bag. It's for
Yeah, in case
poo-poo.
Gizmo goes poo-poos.
Oh, very nice.
Here, Mommy.
Thank you.
It's a roses.
Thank you very much,
Let's
Isabel.
go poo-poo.
Is Gizmo gonna go poo-poos?
Come on, Giz.
Did Isabel go poo-poos today?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just like me.
Just like you.
Just like Isabel.
I want you to give me more.
You want to give me more? Oh,
I want
boy.
you to give me more, Daddy.
Alrighty. Come on. Oh, the daisies. Yes, Isabel doing give me more.
It's Britney, bitch. I hate you.
Is that good juice? Very nice. Very nice. Well, thank you. You gonna sing? You gonna sing, Isabel? Are you gonna sing? Why don't you put this juice down and you can sing? Did you hold it? There you go. Put it on the table? Okay, so put it on the table. Good girl. that Daddy's seatbelt? Is that Daddy's seatbelt? Your pinky, where's your pinky? Where's your pinky go? Oh, where is it? Oh, let's get your new one. Oh, there's a lot of pinkies. Which color do you want? Blue? You want the blue?
No, green.
Green. Okay, here's a green one.
Green.
Alright, Isabel, say bye to the camera. Bye, camera. Bye bye.
Camera.
Bye bye. Say bye, camera.
Bye, camera.
Say bye to everybody.
Bye, bye.
Bye bye.